Hi, this is me. Vlogging. Camcorder vlogs. Are you excited?
So excited.
Thank you.
I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it there?
How is this going to work?
It won't.
The way seems you cannot be replaced, and I'm the one who'll stay. Oh,
Open the door, you goddamn whore. Oh no. What are you getting?
Hopefully better.
Are you having fun?
Yes. Well, not with COVID.
Why not?
I don't like shitting and coughing all the time.
Ooh. Okay, bye-byes.
Come over here so I can take that plastic off the bed. Why is it? Come here, Buzz.
Wow!
Why are you all about eating plastic
Oh
today?
no, vanilla!
Buzz, no. Come on.
Come on! Vanilla bean! You're so naughty.
My
He is a
gosh.
naughty boy. What do you have to say for yourself, Vanilla? Aww. Okay, I forgive you. It's COVID vlogs. It's day 1 for me, bitches. COVID. What day is it for you? 3 or 4? Literally everyone who has a driver's license is sick. Whoever is the least sick is the one who has to go get the meds.
as it was.
How are you feeling?
My throat aches and my ribs hurt when I cough. Right here, like right at my little floating riblins.
Floating riblins.
You know, my little riblins. That's what my mom always calls them.
I love you.
I love you too.
Mwah.
Mwah.
I fucking hate being sick. Bye. It's day 2 for me, bitches. I feel like absolute garbage. And here's Emma. She's on day 4 or 5, I think. How are you feeling? Good morning. Oh, what was that? What day are we on? I'm on day 3, I think. Are you having fun? Are you feeling any better?
I mean, my poops are solid again, so I'm not complaining.
Those clouds are looking kind of funky. Hey, Schwoggle.
Hello.
You ready to go?
Hell yeah.
Now you've been moving on. Let me know, can I come along? Since we are gone, oh, it's been so long. On my own, my own, my own, my own. Living in the haze, staying in the shade. All I do is sit around and wait for better days. I could use a break. Can I get an A?
And
I got alcohol too.
oh shit, she got the alky.
I did. They did not ID me at this place.
You feel attacked.
I do. I feel like, are they trying to say I'm older, or do they just literally not care? The amount of times I've not been ID'd has me concerned. Is it the wrinkles under my eyes?
No.
Now it's 300K when my day ends. Do you remember last night?
I could not win a Visa Rewards card. You see this? This lie?
Yeah?
I go onto the website. The promotion has ended.
Oh.
You hang pictures on my wall. Roll one, let's get high tonight. Backseat Maybach, lavish life. Chilling with the stars like a satellite.
How's your game going?
It's good. I'm in the lead. So
Oh, you're in the lead?
Yeah, I'm leading
That's
by
good.
2 points. Yeah. I just really want to get another point, but you know.
Can I get an amen? All I do is sit around and wait for better days. Sit around and wait. Better days. I can use a break.
I love you.
I love you too. We got gas, 40 cents off per gallon.
Yeah, so that makes for a grand total of $3.49.
Which in this economy is very good. Gas was almost $5 just like 2 weeks ago.
I can't get you off my mind. Yeah.
I know I for better days. Oh.
Watching Vanilla Bean
Oh,
and Jenna.
Oh my god. Why does he look like that?
Oh no.
We're gonna have a fire in a little bit. Maybe when it starts to get a little bit darker, but for now we're just enjoying the outside. We're enjoying being COVID free.
That's right.
Literally. And
At
not
long
having to work
last.
tomorrow. I'm enjoying not having to work tomorrow because work can sometimes be a lot. I had a buzz ball, so.
I brought my lighter and hairspray just in case.
Yeah, let's go. Woo!
Hi, sisters.
Oh, jeez. Emma's got her not pearl earrings, but looks like pearl earrings earring.
Let Freedom earring.
Wish I was around, I just wanna make you happier, baby. We've been doing all this late night talking about anything you wanna till the morning.
Oh,
Yeah, I
not
can
like
see
just
it.
2 o'clock. Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah, like-
I got you. I didn't know they came like that. Next. I guess I don't
Pretty
know.
nifty that way, I'd say.
Grandma attempting to make a s'more. Take one.
I'm gonna be ready for it.
All right.
And then no one will use them again. I will. Hot.
This is a little danger here.
I'm the oldest. I'm the youngest.
Yes.
What is happening?
Yep.
How much I lost?
Oh wait, you barely.
Yeah,
barely,
but there's
it
hardly
barely moved
any on
off.
the stick.
That was a roller coaster.
No way you can eat a mouse right
I got all of it on video,
Are you
yeah.
putting me on YouTube, girl? We're gonna have a discussion. It doesn't go like this.
Oh shit. What'd you do?
I can't get you off my mind. 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 I won't even try to get you.
Bam! Looking sexy.
We've been doing all this late night talking about anything you wanna till the morning. Now you're in my life. I can't get you off my mind. I can't get you off my mind.
Wow, what a pretty drink.
Arriving August 30th.
Talking, can't get you off from all this late night talking. I can't wait for you to come my way. I've been far away, but I'll keep running.
This is my crib. This is my house. No. You ain't even seen nothing yet. It has some spacious room.
How's it going?
I don't want
You know what? That's my manager.
You could like dodge quits like the Fisher Price best.
Okay, we gonna do create I probably up in here.
Why'd you leave me lonely? Feeling with me slowly now, stuck in wonder where I've
I've been video recording.
How's it going?
Good. Got my mango dragon fruit.
Wow.
running just to find a way to you till then.
Okay.
Where did you get that?
eBay!
Feelings are feeling like running for something and feeling so out of control. I know that the feelings are gone.
So behind the scenes, this needs to be in the fridge. What the heck? out here at 𝘊𝘊𝘮𝘮𝘮's picking up a pizza for my mom because she rebounded on COVID. I love you.
To come my way, I've been far away, but I'll keep running just to find a way to you till then. Ain't never gonna let you go. Got my heart, NASCAR racing, shining, never fading.
This is the day that Gabby Hanna had a real, actual meltdown and let a stranger into her house.
Alright, so
Nick,
listen, Nick,
the guy who broke in. Oh, this is kind of good lighting if it wasn't on a camcorder.
Wanting something more. My heart is like an open door.
Is that those We are the wolves!
Hold a place till you're coming home. Show you where the garden grows. Just show me when you wanna go. I can't wait for you to come my way. I've been far away, but I'll keep running.
Thinking is hot. Gracie, this is such a bad idea.
Grab that corner.
Oh my god, Grace.
It is sliding.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
That was perfect.
Weird. Like my finger went right into there, but the corners are so crispy.
Oh, that happens to me every time I make cookies.
This is gonna be like walking in Target in 2008.
Harry Potter. I freaking hate these. Currently by myself because I don't know where Jen went. She just kind of disappeared. So it's just me. Is it working? I mean, hypothetically it is.
Like virgins clean today.
Oh no!
Deep in the water, pushing my body away.
You know, he was just trying to fake people out, you know?
Who? Sleepy Joe?
Yeah, Sleepy Joe.
AKA Dark Brandon?
He was like, psych! Because the people have their guard down.
Yeah.
No. And now he's ready to attack.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. We got him. We got him, boys.
What happened one day?
That one was painful. Why are you laughing?
You're joking. You're joking.
That was straight gibberish. What?
I said when you choked on it.
Oh.
And there's a song in Sweet Doggy Dog's album that talks about that.
I smell the devil's a lettuce.
I told him, you know, I was like, I'll do it
It's a video camera.
this week.
Can you say hi?
You know, try to leave that for
Say, I'm Aria. Here.
I see a picture.
There you go. Now you can see yourself.
When we meet another way.
Well, they look kind of scary.
But they're not scary. Can I have chocolate?
That's tomorrow.
Yeah, same thing.
What? Oh, you want me to make you a s'more?
Me.
How?
Can I throw like that?
You throw like that? Yeah. Bam. Look, you did it.
I'm going to do a cheese here.
Well, I was like, this is the drive shaft that turns.
Hello.
Really not?
He stepped on my pinky.
Actually, the day I was late to pick them up.
Well, I'm sure Arya's sorry. Right, Arya? Are you sorry? Thank you.
Why does it feel like bumpy?
Why does it feel bumpy?
Yeah.
Because unfortunately this is not cement, so dirt gets lumps and bumps in it.
Yeah, it gets lumpy. Like maybe a rock is underneath there.
Yeah.
Oh, see, look.
I'm going to slide in the
Woo woo, I did it again.
Woo!
It's a water slide. And he's going to Whoa.
Wow, she's splish splashing in the pool. That's the spider web. Oh, well, you can't see the spider, but you can see his web.
And then you guys always are playing with the main yo-yo. I don't want. I got you. I mean yo-yo. You're welcome.
Oh, it's from Alaska.
Yeah, and your coat say Alaska on them, I think. And they have a moose on them. Here, come here, let me see.
Good job.
Come here, Riley, I'll show you.
You won't speak up, speak up. You won't speak up, speak up.